Right, so this is, well, it doesn't have a name. It's the robot. Okay, so this video is just for the description of it. So, up here you've got the LiDAR, which was hacked out of a Neato XV21, I believe. This piece here, this piece and the one on the other side has been 3D printed. Those, yeah, I designed those in about a week and had them printed out, which is absolutely fantastic. I finally got to see the actual printing process. This internal here, you can't see too much of it. This is the this is the debug board. This one is the, what are you? I don't know what you are. Here, hold on. Yeah. No, that's actually, oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, this will focus again. Okay, this is the debug board, this is the sensor board, this is the PWM board. This is this is a communication board that you have to use because outputting to the LCD screen apparently didn't like the TTL, so we had to go with RS-232. This cable scoops around back here and into here. That was a bit of an annoyance. So yeah. Anyways, as you can see, just saw, it is displaying out. It's at a 6-meter radius, so it's able to see most of the room, which is pretty fantastic. But the updating on the screen seems a little odd, and it's not processor related. I mean, it's going through the algorithms quickly enough. I think it's really the LCD screen, to which I don't know the full capabilities of. Battery, this I need to tighten. Other boards are, that's the processor board with the MSP430, and this is the power board. Now this line comes out of the battery to the PWM board. It doesn't go to the power board. The PWM has its own power adapter, I guess. The debug cable for the hooking up the processor and downloading code onto it. Right, the LCD, the EZ LCD-002. Yeah, not much documentation on it. The platform itself is, oh, I forget the name, but it's kind of like Erector sets. I'd have to relook it up, but they have a huge repository of all the 3D models on it, which was great. Alright, I'll try to zoom in. Right, so this base here was laser cut for, this was Hester's mounting, so I just kind of more or less just copied it over onto the 3D printed part over here. What else is there? Alright, ooh, yeah, one of those. So most of it's all fastened down with zip ties, as you can see here, and if you will please focus, there's two, one here and one here, and pretty much everywhere, so it's bloody fantastic. So apparently this robot's supposed to just, it's pointing forward this way, but and the LCD's in the back, which is still not updating. Come on. There you go. I don't know what's going on with the damn thing. It seems to update at a constant rate for a little bit and then just go kaput. And it's not oriented correctly either. I have to work on that. So it's straightened out with most of the room. It should be off about 10. Oh, no, it's not off 10. Okay, so I do know that it's flipped and inverted a bit, like. Okay, so. Why won't you focus? It's not like focusing. Okay. Yeah. So that's pretty much the whole project, I guess. Power switch, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So I have to talk Tom into getting a missile stack. That'll be fun. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll probably just send this off to you, Tom. That'd be good. So the project so far, I haven't been able to get the motors to work just yet. Just getting everything for the LiDAR and the LCD driver. That's pretty much all I've done so far, which was a bit of an issue. The 3D modeling I got done in about a week, and those are all the parts I'm going to print out. Though there's a much bigger screen I could be using, but I wanted to stick with these since they have a lot of these little tiny ones. So the next step will be to figure out exactly why this isn't updating properly. Brett wants me to use the set it up so that it takes a reading and compares it to a previous reading and finds large changes and drives towards those changes, kind of like, following someone. I think it is updating at a good rate. I don't think it's displaying out to the LCD properly, though. The LCD has a 1K byte buffer, so and the data that's pushed out to it is a lot more than 1K, so I have to put some delays in there, and you can barely see that when it updates. Okay, so it kind of pushes up all the way. There's I think a tenth of a second delay in between this part and then this part up here. But that, and then another quarter of a second after that. But so I don't think it's that. I mean, it is pushing out too inconsistently. So the next step was to get the motors working. Fix the LCD screen issue, and the LiDAR seems to be gathering data at a good rate overall. Let's see, put something high up. Yeah. Come on. Nope, that ain't gonna work. All right. High chair. Right. Okay, so that is the LiDAR sight. Let's see. Now I'm on the other side of it. Let's see. Huh. It should be flipped. I mean, it's detecting me. No, that's not right. Yeah, okay, I'll have to keep working on it. It's just kind of odd. Alright, well, hope to see you soon, Tom. Sorry for leaving you on the CubeSat project alone, and, yeah. And yes, it's a cord nightmare. Lab cord. To be honest, it looks a lot like home. So, see you soon, I guess. In about a month, I guess.